Washi Tape, thin, paper-based, and made in Japan. This one's not about strength, it's about style. It's coated with a light adhesive that peels off cleanly, which is why it's everywhere in journaling, scrapbooking, and gift wrapping. Unlike most tapes on this list, it's designed to be seen, not hidden. Just don't expect it to hold anything heavy. This is the weakest tape we're covering today. Masking tape. Slightly stronger than washi, but still built to come off without a fight. It's made from crepe paper with a low-tack adhesive, which is exactly why painters use it. It protects edges and lines without peeling off paint when you pull it away. Compared to washi tape, this one's job isn't decoration, it's protection. Packing tape, technically called BOPP tape. This is where things start getting serious. A plastic film coated in strong adhesive, built to keep boxes sealed through shipping, stacking, and rough handling. That iconic screeching sound when you pull it off the roll, that's the sound of a much stronger bond than anything we've covered so far. Double-sided tape, exactly what it sounds like. Adhesive on both sides, no plastic backing to be seen. It's built for mounting things invisibly, like posters, carpets, or craft projects. Unlike packing tape, which seals things shut, this one's whole purpose is holding two surfaces together while staying hidden. Electrical tape, made from stretchy vinyl, this tape has one very specific job: insulating exposed wires so electricity doesn't escape where it shouldn't. It comes in different colors, and electricians actually use those colors to identify different wires or voltage levels. This is the first tape on our list built for safety, not just holding things together. Medical tape. This one's designed for something no other tape on this list has to deal with: direct contact with human skin. It's hypoallergenic, gentle, and made to hold bandages and equipment in place without causing irritation when it's removed. Where electrical tape protects wires, medical tape protects you. Duct tape, cloth-backed, incredibly strong, and waterproof. This is the tape most people think of first. Ironically, it wasn't originally made for ducks at all. It was created during World War II to seal ammunition cases and keep out moisture. Compared to everything else on this list, duct tape is built to fix almost anything, fast. Gaffer tape. It looks a lot like duct tape, but there's one key difference. It's matte, not glossy, and it comes off clean without leaving sticky residue behind. That's exactly why it's the standard on film sets and stages, used to tape down cables without damaging floors or equipment. Same strength as duct tape, but built for a job where the surface underneath actually matters.